On the dashboard, you can see all important information right in front of you. On the left, you will find menu to navigate in entire software. At the top in header, there are 4 important notification icons. First, for due tasks and subtasks and reminders. In software, we consider task as billable services of client. Here, you can see all due services with client name and get more details by clicking on particular service. Second, approved, rejected or pending for approval tasks. In the system, you can send any subtask for approval to senior, which is task admin, and vice versa. Your team can send subtasks to you for approval, and you can take appropriate action, and all related notifications will show in this badge. Third, this button is for new email notifications, internal email or email from clients. Fourth, this button is Leave Notification button where you can see your pending leave request as well as approved or rejected leaves. If any user is using mobile application, then all the above 4 notifications will show as push notifications on user's mobile screen. In the upper right corner, you will find Help Desk where you can download soft copy of help file or get live help. For any further requirements, you can raise ticket or call CAOA support team anytime. In the right side of Help Desk button, you will find User Login drop-down where you can see the profile of current login user. In the System Log button, you can see all the operations made by particular user with particular page, time, IP, type of operation with many other information. And through Change Password button, you can reset the password. In the dashboard, you will see Current Jobs section where you can see the jobs assigned, due date, and also an indication if the due date crosses. And by clicking on particular task, you will redirect to Job Summary page where you can update related information or get documents or complete log related to task. Also, if an employee is not logged in, he or she will get an email or SMS notification when jobs were assigned to them. In CAOA system, more than 50 types of auto emails or SMSs are available, which you can manage from setup. It really helps all your team to remain updated so that you never miss anything and stay aware of all the things automatically. If any employee wants to see status of task assigned by himself or herself, or status of his or her below team's task, then by clicking on Current Job icon from this page, you can get all needed information and you can narrow your search by using filters. Then there is the Task Status Graph which gives you a quick idea about the status of different tasks. Then Pending in Word. Here you can see the documents which have come from the client but still require verification by you or your employee. In Quick Links section, you can set shortcut for any CAOA internal page or external link. Calendar. Here, you can see and schedule appointments with your clients. As soon as an appointment is scheduled, notifications through email and SMS are automatically sent to you and your client both. Also, in the calendar, you can manage to do things for yourself and your below team. And they will be reminded of the same through the email and SMS notifications on the assigned date and time. On completion of a particular to-do, a signing person will be notified with the whole summary. Also, in the calendar, you can manage your near future events and get notifications on event day through SMS or emails. At the lower right corner, in the box named Task Updates, you will find today's allocated tasks and tasks effective from today.